Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make your game's UI look more professional. In this Godot tutorial, you'll learn how to build and design a clean and attractive button in Godot. We'll explore two different methods so you can choose the one that best fits your game's style. Whether you're creating a pixel art game, a modern interface, or your very first project, these techniques will help you build buttons that look polished and feel great to use. Let's get started. After creating a new project in Godot, we open the free GUI file from Bob Games Studio. You'll find the download link in the description. In this video, we'll only use these three folders. So, we add a new folder to the project and name it GUI, then add the three folders into it. Again, we add another new folder and name it Buttons, for save scenes and scripts into it. Next, in the GUI folder, create a new resource. Searching for Stylebox texture. Click on Create. Name it Buttons1Texture and save it. In Properties of Stylebox texture, we need to fill the box of texture. Go to the icon and button folder, and ensure the correct button image is added to the texture, and that all texture margins are incremented by 4 pixels. Create another resource Stylebox texture. And name it Buttons1PressTexture. In Properties, fill the box of texture. Go to the icon and button folder and add the press button image to the texture, and also add 4 pixels to all texture margins. Create another resource, but this time search for theme. Name it Button1Theme, and then click Save. As you can see, this is all the theme items of Godot. Go to Manage Items. Click Import Items, and select Button Item. You can select all the items, but in this video we'll select only the button item. In Inspector, go to Button, and click on Styles. You will see 5 properties that will fill with Stylebox texture. Disabled, Hover and Normal have the same texture. As you can see, the design of the buttons has been changed. Now fill the pressed property with Button Press texture. Make sure the focus property have new Stylebox empty. Now we need to import the font in GUI folder. You can use any font you like. You will find this font in the description. In the theme, go to Button and click on Fonts, and make sure your font is placed in the font box. You can see the font only in Buttons. If you want to add your font to all items, put it into default font box. Now, we need to fix the colors of the button font. Go to Button and click on Colors. Choose the color that you think is appropriate for your project. To fix the font size, go to Font Sizes and always type the minimum size of your font. Minimum of this font is 6 pixels. Now go to Add New Node. Research for button and click on Create. Go to the button properties, then click on Theme. Fill in the theme box with the themes that we will save in the GUI folder. That make button design change automatically. If you type text inside the button, you'll also notice the font change. Don't forget go to Project, and click on Project Settings, then click on Textures, and make sure you choose Nearest in Default Texture Filter. The button is too small for the screen, that's why I go to Layout, and I click on Transform and make button bigger with 8 pixels. I do it to show you the button in screen, but you don't need to do that. We save this scene in Buttons folder and name it Button 1. At the end, that's how our button look like.